Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The Diagnostic Trouble Code, DTC B1232, often referenced as DTC Indicator 0A, signifies a short in the evaporator temperature sensor circuit in the 2023 Honda Accord. The evaporator temperature sensor plays a vital role in the climate control system by measuring the temperature of the evaporator to ensure optimal vehicle cabin comfort. When the input voltage from this sensor drops below a specified threshold, the climate control unit interprets this as an abnormality and logs the DTC in the vehicle's memory. It is crucial to address this code promptly, as it may lead to insufficient cabin cooling and potential further complications in the climate control system. This presentation will outline the components involved, possible causes, and detailed troubleshooting steps to effectively diagnose and resolve this error. The DTC B1232 indicates an issue with the evaporator temperature sensor circuit. The evaporator temperature sensor is located within the HVAC system and is responsible for measuring the temperature of the evaporator core. This core is part of the vehicle's climate control system that cools and dehumidifies the air before it enters the cabin. The climate control unit, also affected by this code, utilizes the sensor's data to regulate cooling effectively. A short in the circuit indicates that there is likely an unintended connection, which may prevent the sensor from functioning properly or relaying accurate temperature readings. This condition can compromise the performance of the HVAC system, resulting in inadequate climate control for the occupants. Several factors can contribute to the triggering of DTC B1232. A common cause is a shorted wire within the evaporator temperature sensor circuit, which could be due to damaged wiring, corroded connectors, or improper installation. Additionally, the evaporator temperature sensor itself could be faulty, meaning it may not accurately measure or transmit temperature data to the climate control unit. Another possible cause is a defective climate control unit, which may fail to process the input from the evaporator temperature sensor correctly. Identifying the precise cause is crucial for effective resolution, as each issue requires different repair approaches. When DTC B1233 is present, a variety of symptoms may manifest within the vehicle's climate control system. Drivers and passengers might notice inconsistent cabin temperatures, where the system fails to cool the interior adequately due to incorrect readings from the evaporator temperature sensor. Erratic behavior of the climate controls could also arise, leaving occupants unable to achieve the desired settings for comfort. Furthermore, warning lights may illuminate on the dashboard, indicating a malfunction in the HVAC system. These symptoms can lead to discomfort and increased frustration while driving, prompting the need for immediate diagnostics and repairs. The initial troubleshooting step for DTC B1232 involves turning the vehicle to the on mode, allowing for the necessary electrical systems to become operational. This step is crucial as it enables the climate control unit to engage and monitor inputs from various sensors, including the evaporator temperature sensor. After setting the vehicle to the on position, the next step requires testing the evaporator temperature sensor itself. The sensor must be inspected for any physical damage, loose connections, or corrosion that could affect its performance. Assessing the sensor's wiring and ensuring the connector is securely attached will assist in determining if it is functioning correctly, or if further inspection of the circuit is necessary. The second step in troubleshooting DTC B1232 focuses on inspecting the external circuits connected to the evaporator temperature sensor. This includes checking for any wires that may be shorted, particularly in the TEVA, Temperature Evaporator Sensor A. and SenseCom, sensor communication circuits. Technicians will use a multimeter to measure resistance and check for continuity, ensuring there is no unintended connection or shorting of wires throughout the circuit. If the circuit shows a short, it must be repaired to restore proper function. The test for the TIVA and SenseCom circuits is essential in isolating the issue and ensuring accurate data transmission to the climate control system. In the third step, technicians will conduct an inspection of the climate control unit itself to ascertain if it is the source of the problem causing DTC B1232. If earlier circuit inspections have ruled out external issues, the likelihood is that a fault lies within the climate control unit. This step includes assessing the unit for any signs of internal damage or malfunction that may prevent it from processing sensor data effectively. The technician will refer to the specific electrical schematics and utilize diagnostic tools to identify any functionality issues within the unit. If defects are confirmed or suspected, the unit must be replaced or repaired to restore proper operation to the climate control system. After performing the necessary repairs for DTC B1232, it is imperative to verify that the issues have been fully resolved. This verification begins by clearing the stored DTC codes from the vehicle's computer. Once cleared, it is vital to conduct a test drive or operation of the climate control system to ensure that all components are functioning as intended and that no new errors appear. During this phase, the technician should monitor the operation closely to confirm that the evaporator temperature sensor accurately communicates with the climate control unit and that the cabin temperature regulation is optimal. Successful verification is key to ensuring that the initial problem has been addressed and the vehicle operates properly without recurrence of the DTC. Preventive maintenance plays a significant role in avoiding DTC B1232 and similar HVAC issues in the future. Regular checks of the evaporator temperature sensor should be conducted to ensure it is functioning properly and remains free from debris or physical damage. Furthermore, inspecting wiring harnesses for signs of wear, corrosion, or fraying can prevent short circuits that might trigger this code. By maintaining clean and secure electrical connections, the risk of intermittent failures can be minimized. Also, keeping up with routine HVAC system services, including refrigerant checks and filter replacements, is important to ensure the overall efficiency and longevity of the climate control system. In summary, diagnosing and addressing DTC B1232 requires a thorough understanding of the evaporator temperature sensor and its role within the climate control system of the Honda Accord. Conducting careful inspections at each step is crucial in identifying the exact cause of the trouble code, whether it be a faulty sensor, shorted wire, or a defective climate control unit. Proper repairs, followed by verification, are necessary for ensuring the rectification of the issue. To prevent future occurrences of this and related codes, routine maintenance and circuit inspections should be implemented regularly. This approach not only enhances the performance of the climate control system, but also ensures greater comfort and reliability for occupants during every drive. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.